Indian High Commission in Abuja has underscored the need for yoga practices as a vital tool for building immunity, unity, and community development. Indian High Commissioner to Nigeria, in his address at the International Yoga Day ceremony organized by the mission in Abuja, speaks on its many benefits.
Yoga has many benefits for the body as well as the mind. Despite all the efforts and precautions, COVID-19 may infect any person. However, a strong immune system can aid in the fight against it. Yoga can help build immunity, for instance, through breathing exercises that strengthen the lungs. At the same time, across the world, millions of people have been forced to stay indoors for months. This has taken a toll on their mental health as well. Regular practice of yoga can help them recover. Prime Minister Modi continues that yoga has an inherent power to connect. Yoga is good for community, immunity, and unity. The theme of the International Day of Yoga celebrations this year reflect the concern for the good health and well-being of people across the globe. It is an endeavor to ensure that we focus on fitness as well as wellness.
Dr. Sage Hanire, Minister of Health, represented by pharmacist Zainab Sharif, assured the federal government's commitment to work closely with the Indian government to achieve targets in the nation's health sector.
We look at healthcare purely from the curative angle, but that is not the right thing. Healthcare is encompassing, and that is what yoga has taught us today. A complete state of physical, mental, social, and spiritual being, not just merely the absence of disease. I understand that yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition, which embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. For us Nigerians, we should begin to focus and understand the definition of health, not just taking those synthetic pills. Let me assure you that Nigeria is committed to the development promotion of traditional and alternative medicine, including yoga.
Minister of Youth and Sports Sunday Dari, represented by the Director of Special Duties in his ministry, spoke on Nigeria and India's shared similarities in youth and sports development.
The ministry identifies with the good people of India on this important occasion of double celebrations. You will agree with me that Nigeria and India have a lot in common in terms of huge youthful population, democracy, economy, as well as some similar peculiarities in youth and sports development. Based on these factors, the ministry will continue to exploit and sustain this good bilateral relationship for the benefit of sports and youth development in Nigeria.
High point of the event was the official inauguration of the ceremony by Mrs. Abike Dabire Rewa, Chief Executive Officer of Nigeria Diaspora Commission, among other dignitaries. The event, which was marked in line with India's 75th independence anniversary, was attended by key stakeholders at the federal government level, members of the diplomatic corps, top military and paramilitary personnel.